Looking to stay fit without the noise or bulky equipment? You are in the right place. In this video, we are counting down the best Quiet Compact Treadmills 2025, top 5 low noise models for apartments, perfect for small spaces and peaceful workouts. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, these treadmills offer smart features, silent motors, and space-saving designs that make them ideal for home use. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started with the video. At number 5, the Acezoe walking pad treadmill stands out as a quiet and compact solution perfect for apartment living. Designed with convenience and performance in mind, this treadmill features a 10% manual incline to simulate real climbing and boost calorie burn by up to 60%. The 2.5 horsepower motor delivers reliable power with ultra-quiet operation, ensuring your workouts remain undisturbed by noise, ideal for shared spaces. With a maximum speed of 6.2 miles per hour and support for up to 300 pounds, it suits a range of fitness levels. The 40 by 16-inch running area uses a 7-layer anti-slip belt and includes shock absorbers and rubber pads to protect joints and muscles. Smart app connectivity adds a fun, interactive layer by syncing your workouts in real time, offering competitions and unlocking themed programs. Its foldable, wheel design and lightweight build make it easy to store under a bed or sofa. No assembly required, just unpack and start your fitness journey. Taking the 4th spot is the Sperax under-desk treadmill, an ultra-compact and whisper-quiet fitness solution tailored for home offices and small living spaces. This multifunctional treadmill goes beyond basic walking with its integrated vibration massage feature, offering a unique 5-minute recovery session post-workout. Driven by a powerful yet near-silent 2.5 horsepower servo motor, it delivers speeds ranging from 0.2 to 3.8 miles per hour while keeping noise levels below 45 decibels, making it ideal for shared or quiet environments. It supports users up to 350 pounds and includes for vibration intensity settings that enhance circulation, improve reflexes, and relieve post-exercise fatigue. The intuitive LED display and Sperax fitness app provide real-time feedback on calories, speed, time, and distance, ensuring a fully informed workout experience. Weighing just 27 pounds and measuring only 3.5 inches in height, this treadmill slides effortlessly under desks, beds, or couches. With its sleek portability, the Sperax treadmill is a low-noise powerhouse for convenient everyday fitness. At number 3, the SereneLife and Fitness Compact Treadmill offers a unique, quiet, and electricity-free solution for apartment dwellers who want a no-fuss fitness routine. This manual treadmill operates without a motor, using your own movement to power each stride, perfect for reducing noise and energy usage. It features a dual flywheel system and an 8-degree fixed incline, delivering a smooth, low-impact workout that effectively targets multiple muscle groups. The compact and ergonomic frame folds down to just 20 by 23 by 50 inches, making it ideal for tight spaces. Despite its small footprint, it still supports a full-body workout experience with a user-friendly LCD monitor that tracks time, speed, distance, and calories. Bluetooth connectivity adds a modern touch, syncing with smart devices to unlock over 1,000 guided workouts and 10,000 scenic global routes. Weighing just under 47 pounds, this treadmill is easy to reposition while remaining stable and sturdy. The SereneLife and Fitness Compact Treadmill is the perfect blend of simplicity, silence, and space-saving design. Next on our list is the SereneLife Electric Folding Treadmill, a sleek and quiet machine designed for efficient home workouts in compact spaces. This foldable treadmill features a 1-horsepower motor that supports speeds from 0.6 to 6 miles per hour, making it ideal for walking, jogging, and light running without disturbing your surroundings. Built with a durable aluminum frame, it supports users up to 220 pounds and includes a 4-level manual incline to increase workout intensity. The 39 by 15.7-inch tread belt offers ample space, while the hydraulic folding mechanism ensures easy storage in tight spaces like apartments or home gyms. Its LCD display with touch controls monitors key stats like time, distance, calories, and heart rate, with grip sensors for pulse tracking. Bluetooth connectivity to the FitShow app adds smart features such as tracking progress, sharing results, and setting goals. With safety features like an emergency stop key, plus a built-in tray and cup holder, the SereneLife treadmill balances function and comfort for quiet, everyday fitness. Taking the top spot is the NordicTrack walking or running treadmill, a premium choice for those seeking a powerful yet quiet fitness machine that fits seamlessly into apartment living. Engineered with a 10 mph top speed and a 10% incline range, this treadmill is ideal for everything from light walks to intense runs. It features a 5-inch LCD display and a built-in device shelf, allowing users to view live workout stats or stream sessions using the iFit Train membership. With access to over 10,000 expert-led workouts, personalized coaching, and smart adjust technology, your fitness routine evolves as you do. The Active Pulse feature automatically adjusts speed and incline based on your heart rate, ensuring optimal training at every step. Despite its high performance, it operates quietly and includes Bluetooth, built-in speakers, and a foldable design for easy storage. Crafted with alloy steel and weighing 203 pounds, it offers unmatched stability. The NordicTrack treadmill combines smart technology, durability, and quiet operation, perfect for elevating your home fitness game.